So I did just receive this portable monitor. It is a 15.6-inch portable monitor, and so I want to show you all of the great features that it comes with, and that way you can really just see the benefit that this can provide to your life. I love it because you can plug it into almost any device. It comes with a variety of cords that allows you to do that, and then you can also use it to split your screen, so you can do different windows on this versus what's going to be shown on your computer, which I love. I think it's just really beneficial. You can also use it for gaming or personal use as well if you need an extra screen. It does come with this cover so that when you are traveling, it is going to keep it safe. It is lightweight and very thin, so it's easy to travel with. This is what it looks like once you take it out of the case, and the case can be used as a stand to help you set it up. It's going to come with a variety of cords and then also a power adapter. And so these cords really ensure that you are able to use it with any device. So it's going to come with a USB-A to a USB-C cable. It's going to come with a USB-C to a USB-C cable, a Mini-HDMI to HDMI cable, and then you also have the user guide as well. So if you have any questions about what it comes with, you can definitely refer back to that. It does have a high resolution, so we're talking like 3,840 times 2160, and then it also is going to have an aspect ratio of 16:9. So just make sure to set your Windows setting in whatever device you're using to that to allow for the easiest transition. I'm going to show you what this looks like on my computer so that you can see how you're able to use that dual window feature. Okay, so here you see I have it plugged up to my Mac, which uses a USB-C port. So I have the USB-C plug in on it. I want to show you what some of the ports do look like on the actual extendable screen. So there's those three, and then you do have more options on this side. One thing that is really cool is you do have the ability to plug in a keyboard or a mouse or headphones as needed. I am using the cover to set it up, which gives me more workspace, and it allows me to be able to set it up so I can see both screens efficiently, but you do have the option to mount it. There are some screws in the back that would allow you to mount it as well. So you can see that here I can type as needed, and then if I want, I can go over here to this other side. I can then click on this Excel sheet, and then it's all good to go. So this is perfect. You can see that I did shift it a little bit, so you can set it in either one of these, which is going to make it a little bit easier to use it based on the angle that works best for you.